What's going on, guys? My name is Naz. Welcome to the Spooling Up channel. Today I've just got a really short video. I know it's been a while and I haven't been uploading often, guys. If you subscribe to the channel or watch regularly, then you'll know that I haven't really been that active, but I've had loads of other things to do, so just been making videos here, there, when I can. But I want to say thank you to everybody that's liked, subscribed, commented, shown support and appreciation for any of the videos that I've uploaded, because it means a lot, makes it all worth it. But today just got a nice short simple video. They will be flowing again. I'm waiting for the carburetor to come back on the Fiesta, be picking it up at the end of the week and a few other bits. But yeah, today I thought I'd make a video on swapping the wiper blades on the Mk4 Golf, because the ones on there at the minute aren't clearing the screen. If you get stuck on the motorway in a big downpour, it's really difficult to see, so going to be changing them. These are some Valeo aero style wiper blades. I've got the Bosch ones on the 330 Ci, but I've heard these are also good, so I'm going to be fitting these. So yeah, just ordered them online. Just hoping that they look better altogether and also clear the windscreen better, and they're a lot more flat and streamlined, so they won't be as obvious and standing out. But yeah, they're supposed to be better as well, because it's supposed to put pressure on the windscreen with the blade throughout the whole length of the wiper, rather than the few pressure points that you get on the old school ones. I'll try and show you that as well. So yeah, let's strip them off. These are Retrofit as well, so they're just going to fit on the hook of the retro style wiper arm. So yeah, man, let's go ahead and give these a go. Hey guys, so it's pretty simple to strip these off. I'm just going to lift it off, twist it over, push it down. I'm trying to do it with one hand, slide it off. There's the old one. So this is supposed to put pressure on the blade on these points here, which obviously after a while, sometimes when it's clearing the windscreen, leaves you with a gap of uncleared wetness or dirt, whatever it is. But yeah, I mean, on checking this, it seems okay, but it's actually no good, so just gonna throw that. But yeah, I mean, you can compare lengths with the new ones that you get, just to make sure that they're gonna fit and they're the right side. So I'm just gonna strip the other one, and then we'll have a look at the new ones. Another thing I would say is just be really careful when you don't have any wipers on the arms, that you don't let them slam down and crack the windscreen. So you're probably better off resting them on there while you get your new wipers ready. Right guys, so let's just do a quick comparison of length. This is the first one that we took off, and they are exactly the same length. Obviously the profile of the wiper is a lot smaller here, but this clip thing here is massive. I've just realized it's quite big and bulky compared to the standard one, but as a wiper this obviously looks a lot better. So I'm just going to take that new bit of plastic off, and then I'll be fitting it. It's pretty much simple reversal of taking that one off. Try and get a nice decent video of that too. So this is really simple. As you can see, the fittings in here. So all that needs to happen is you need to guide the new wiper on, and then it will click into place. There's your new flat wiper blade. Maybe I should have left the original one on to show you a comparison between the two. I'll quickly hook that back up now and give you a quick shot of that. So I just have a quick comparison of these. Guys, so just as I was doing, just checking the length of this new one here, I realised how much more curved it is than this one here. And also it's pretty good that it's curved, because when you try and push it flat, there is quite a lot of resistance, which will make it fit the shape of the windscreen better, whereas this one is just really flimsy and rubbish. This one, it's a lot more difficult to straighten out. So I'm gonna fit that, and then that is pretty much the install done. It's the same thing again. Really simple. That's just going to go on, click into place, and then that is it. Fresh new wiper blades, and it should pretty much be the same on most cars. But there you go, guys. that's how you do it on the Mk4 Golf. Right guys, so that is the end of my video on the flat wiper blade retro style install on the Mk4 Golf GTI, and I'm sure it's going to be the same on so many cars out there. As you can see, it only takes a couple of seconds, and there are also no tools involved, and no matter what kind of experience, no matter what your ability is working on cars, I'm sure you're going to be able to do it, and I hope this video helps. Good luck with the job anyway guys, and I hope that you can get through it nice and easily. But yeah, that's the end of the video guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe on the channel, and I'll hopefully see you guys on the next video.